Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter 6, that is personality development through sports. In this chapter we are going to discuss that how our personality improve through the sports. Students, sports is an important part of our life. Sports and games are unavoidable part of a human life. They are very essential for the adequate growth of a person. Sports also helps us to build a healthy body and mind. They also contribute in friendship and good behavior. Students, sports deals with punctuality and discipline, which is good for our physical health. Not only fitness, but sports also gives us confidence too. All sports are beneficial for our mind and body. All sports are beneficial for our mind and body. Sports create discipline, confidence and many other things. The spirits of sportsmen are, they play a fair game. They follow the rules of the game. They respect the referee who decide whether they lost the game or they win the game. They always congratulate the winners even when they are losing the match, but they congratulate the winners. They talk in a very polite way. Student, next is self-discipline. Discipline is an important part of the sports. Discipline is the ability you have to control and motivate yourself. Self-discipline is when you think, make sure that you get up an hour early before your work and go to the gym for a training. Next, a good athlete stays in the game, whether they lost the game or they win the game. They don't bother about they are winning the game or they are losing the game. They only want to do their best. Sports teach us that doing the best is most important than the winning or losing. You just do your best. Don't bother about the winning and the losing. Next is love challenges. Students, in the second picture, a student moving a heavy stone. He don't know that he able to move this thing or not, but he is doing. That means he accept the challenge. The accepting challenge can also be increased with the help of the sports. Participation in challenging sports competitions makes us courageous enough to face the challenges. We can face easily challenges. Don't think about the negativity and positivity. We can accept the challenge, just we can do it. Sports also teach us to perform better in a competitive society. And the third one is teamwork. Student, a teamwork is a work in which a group of people can do a work to achieve some goal. Teamwork can also help and motivate the other person, the other players to do the things in a proper way. No sports team successful without working together to reach a common goal. Sports teaches they cooperative with others and work as a team. In teams, people can work together and accomplish more than they could be. Students, all the games that you have played in your childhood, like for example basketball, volleyball, they all are playing in a group. Next one is self-confidence. Students, self-confidence is the good athlete of a best friend. Some children are naturally athlete, but some are not naturally athletes. Sports is a good activity for both, whether they naturally athlete or not. They can improve their skill. Their confidence can be increased with the help of sports. If they are taking part in sports, then their self-confidence is increased. Improving their skills and moving higher levels of competitions can give them great confidence. Next is healthy mind and body. The one of the most advantage of the sports is the healthy body and mind. It will help us to participate in a good academic activities and scientific experiments with greater enthusiasm. Students, sports also improve our memory. Sports helps us to get rid of tiredness and laziness. However, tiredness and laziness can be removed when we are doing a sports and taking a participates in the sports, then our blood circulation increases and we are active. There are number of benefits of sports for our mind and body. Students, there are number of benefits. First of all, we have discussed about the self-discipline. Second thing is love challenges. Third is teamwork. Fourth is self-confidence. And last one is healthy body and mind. This students, your homework is to do the question answers. The question answers are very easy. Simply they have given that you have to write down the advantages or disadvantages related to the teamwork, self-confidence, healthy body and mind, self-discipline and love challenges. Your homework is to do the exercise that is given at the back of your book and the true false. Thank you.